Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video, I'm going to show you Redmi 15C remove the pin lock. If you forgot your password, don't worry, I will explain step by step. I will explain. And first of all, power off your phone and press the volume up button and power button. After power off, press the volume up button and power button. Remind one thing, if you try this method, your data always delete, photos and videos always delete. And press the volume up and power, and after logo is coming, release the power key and hold volume up button 5 seconds and wait 1 second. Recovery mode is coming. Oh my goodness, nice. And select the wipe data, press the power button and select the wipe all data and select the power key and confirmed. Okay, successfully removed your pattern lock. Oh my goodness. Set up your phone, and if you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you, and 165 videos I uploaded my YouTube channel. Can you see my old videos? And this channel also 100% useful channel for you, and definitely follow my channel. Thank you. See you by next video.